This tutorial is brought to you by PE Prep Engine. Free study guides and practice questions at peprepengine.com.
PE Mechanical Machine Design and Materials, Week 6, the final week. An 11-video course on basic engineering practice and supportive knowledge. The breadth that rounds out everything weeks 1 through 5 built. Drawings and GD&T, engineering economics, material selection, manufacturing, fits and tolerances, quality control, and corrosion. Weeks 1 through 5 built the analytical core. How a part carries load, how parts connect, how power moves, and the components a machine is assembled from. Week 6 is everything else the exam tests. The engineering practice fundamentals, drawings, GD&T, and economics. And the materials and supportive knowledge, properties, hardness, corrosion, manufacturing, fits, and quality. This is areas 1 and 6, 19 to 29 of the 80, and it closes out all 6 exam areas. Every video follows the same 4 beats: concept, setup, solve, traps. Whenever you see a formula, look for the yellow pill. It's the exact section and page in the NCEES Handbook 2.0. Week 6 leans least on the handbook. A lot of this breadth isn't printed, so we'll flag what the exam supplies and what you derive. Let's start. Topic 1 is GD&T. The geometric characteristic symbols, the feature control frame, datums, and material condition that let a drawing specify a part. Tap the next video to begin. PE Prep Engine, free exam prep, built by a practicing engineer. If the course helps you, subscribe. That's the only ask.